Have you ever wondered how many meme coins go viral almost overnight? While many projects focus on utility or complex technology, others succeed by embracing internet culture, humor, and strong community engagement. So today we're taking a closer look at a Toescoin, one of the newest meme coin launching on Solana blockchain. So, welcome back to the channel, Talking Galaxy community. Before we get started, just a quick reminder, this video is not financial advice and I'm not financial advisor, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So, Toescoin is community-driven meme coin built on Solana network, and unlike many crypto projects that promote ambition, roadmaps, or complicated ecosystem, Toescoin takes a different approach. It fully embraces internet humor with its playful branding centered around perfectly polished toast, and doesn't pretend to be something it isn't. So this project slogan is 10 toes, 10 billion market cap, reflect its light-hearted personality. The website makes it clear that Toescoin is designed as a meme coin first, focusing on entertainment, community, and viral marketing rather than promising groundbreaking technology or financial returns. And one reason the project chose Solana is because of its fast transaction and low fees. So that means users can buy, sell, and trade this coin quickly without paying high network cost, making Solana one of the most popular blockchain for meme coin launchpad. So guys, if you're interested in how the buying process works, it's very straightforward. First, you'll need Solana compatible wallets such as Phantom or Backpack, and after setting up your wallet, you'll need to fund it with Solana purchase from a cryptocurrency exchange. And once your wallet is ready, you can connect it to decentralized exchange like Jupiter, paste official Toescoin contract address, and swap your Solana for Toescoin. So it's super simple. And as you can see, project branding is definitely one of its biggest strengths. From the polished visual design to the humorous website copy, Toescoin doesn't take itself too seriously. And another interesting aspect of its transparency, rather than making unrealistic promises or publishing extensive roadmap, website openly states that there is no team, no roadmap, and no promises. So that reflects the speculative nature of many meme coins, where value is often driven by community interest, online momentum, and market sentiment instead of traditional fundamentals. So guys, if you want to stay updated with the latest news and announcements on this project, all important links will be provided down below, so make sure to check them out and also follow them on Twitter and Telegram. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.